Copy that to a new worksheet and paste it, and increase the column width. Then go for insert tab. Okay, one second. Okay, so is that clear, right? So let me just select this one, two. This as usual, we will select on one cell. Click on the pivot table. Okay, existing sheet. Choose the location and just click on OK. So I want to create a two-dimensional chart here. Let me create a two-dimensional chart. Okay, values, products, and countries. I hope everyone would have practiced this all pivot table. So I told many times it's very important like that. So just click on this and go for chart and click on pivot chart, or just click on chart normal, also not a problem. Just insert the chart. We have everyone done this one, right? You are done in the pivot chart also, right? In the pivot tables and the pivot concept. You are done, right? Okay. So now what I do, I'm not getting no replies are not there. No replies. Okay, just select here. Go for chart design tool. See, these are the different elements we can use it. And these are different color themes we can use it. Different chart styles we can use. Okay, then switch row to column, column to row. That means, so here uh, in the labels products and here countries. Now if I switch row to label, okay, row to column or column to row, if I switch that labels, what happens? This will come here and this will come here, like this. Select data. In this particular, if I don't want something, I want to remove. So that can be removed from here. You can select and we can remove it. Okay. And then change chart type. Instead of this chart, I can like change different charts. Pie, bar, area, XY scatter, start, surface, like that. Any chart. So and here, let's see the chart tools here. Just click on the plus button, axis, x-axis, y-axis. See, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, just I'm in a little confusion. Whether we have done all these things already. Just can you tell me that whether we have done this particular thing in already or not? Vedant, Susmita, Chandana, anyone answer me please? It's just a confirmation whether we have done this already. Okay, good. So I was having little confusion whether we have done all these small tools or not. Okay, why? Because the small tools are very important here. So see, axis, x-axis, y-axis, the left side and the bottom side. So this one. Okay, and axis titles for that. So left side amount and bottom countries like this. Axis titles, sorry, chart title. So here I can give chart title in this place. And here data labels. And here data call out, which are how much, data table and grid lines. So data table means we'll be having a table at the bottom, same like pivot tables, right? We'll be having the table at the bottom. And then grid lines, primary horizontal, primary vertical, all the grid lines will be there. And the legends, which is called as legends, the right side product is the right. This is nothing but called as legend. That will be go to top, left, bottom. Okay, but by default it will be always in the right side. Okay, then change chart type and finally move chart. We can move this chart to a new chart sheet. New chart sheet. So where in that particular sheet only chart will be working. Chart and chart tools will be working. See, there are no rows and columns and the sheet name also like chart 1. Is that clear for everyone? Is that clear for everyone? Good. So again, this same chart, again I want to move it back. So again go for design tab, move chart to sheet number 1. It has been moved, right? So let me go back. So same like this, we can change the pivot chart, 3D pie chart. Okay, so line chart, everything can be done in this place. So these are nothing but called as chart tools. Next, 3D maps. So let's see, very interesting one, a new tool. Okay, so this is the data what I have for 3D maps. So like how order ID, product category, everything. So main purpose is we should have something called as country here. Then only we can do this one. Select this, click on 3D maps, open 3D maps. So enable the data analyze add-ins to use this particular feature. Okay, just enable. It will take little time because the add-in has to be enabled. See now. So same like pivot table, you just select this one. On the right side we are having pivot field list. So here amount into height, height should come in the amount like this here, and product category and country into the location, correct, and time, which is time, date into time like this. So now let me show you, see this. See here. Okay, and map the labels. So see the country places, UK, Germany, France, where and all we are having, all places will come correctly, exact locations. Canada, United States, Australia, getting this one. So now what I do, just I play this button. So based on this date and time, how much amount it is getting, the colors, different colors are products, categories. Okay, height is like amount, how much amount it has been getting increased. Sir, sir, can we it for states of India? Yes, yes, exactly. We can do anything, but the names, the spellings, that names should be exact. Then it is fine of doing anything anywhere. It's a new feature. Okay, so even it is tough, you can find it in YouTube also. Okay, so you should have data like this. Okay, learn properly this one, and then you can do like this based on the pie map also, like this and like this. These are the different things. So dark or more amount, lighter amount, and here like lowest amount to highest amount, different colors and all will be there. Like this. Okay. So this is nothing but called as what? 3D maps. Everyone got this? You understood, ma? Everyone understood this particular concept? 3D maps? Ashish, you understood? Chandana, Shushmita? Okay. So next we are going to do sparkline. Okay. So a chart within a cell is called sparkline. So that are like line chart, and then column chart, and then win or loss. Okay, these are the three charts what we have. So very simple. Okay, it is a very simple one. Let me close this one because this data will be not shoot for that. Let me open this one. It will shoot for that particular. Okay, insert, and then just I delete this. Just click on this cell, particular cell. Click on the line chart here. Data range. They are asking the data range, which one you want to select. Just select, drag and select until here. From here to here. Just give OK and drag and drop. This is called as a chart within the cell, line chart. So high, lowest point, first point, last point, markers. Markers means where and all the subjects are getting changed. That one, negative values. So everything can be marked here. Okay. So that line colors also can be changed here. Spark line color can be changed here. And the thickness also can be changed here. And then color. For high point, I want red color, and for low point, and I want yellow color. So it will highlight like this. Understood, right? So same like that from here itself, we can change to column or win or loss, or else set one more cell, go to insert tab and click on the column chart, select the data set up to here, enter. Is that clear, right? And then win or loss. Again, select the data set here. Is that clear? So this is nothing but called as what? Spark line. Line, column, and win or loss. So a chart within a cell is nothing but called as what? Spark line. Is everyone are clear about this one? Good. So now what you do? Just select this data set. Okay. Let me delete all these spark lines. So go for slicer. So when I click on slicer, I'm getting an error. So can anyone tell me why I'm getting this error? Can anyone tell me why I'm getting this error, ma? Say no, 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 no. No, Devika, not like that. So I'm selected this much range, right? It is there properly only, right? Then why I'm having the error? Because if I want to do slicer, okay, for doing slicer, I should have table. For doing timeline, I should have pivot table with date column. Okay. So for doing slicer, my data should be as a table. For doing timeline, my data should be as a pivot table, and I should have a data column, date and time column like that. So then only I can do. See, now let me control T, table, go for insert, slicer. See, which I have done already in the pivot table slicer, right? The same thing. So 54, who has taken 54 in the science? Clear. Who have taken 67? Clear. This is nothing but that one. The advanced filter of Excel. And then if I want to do timeline here, so I require another data. Let me copy this data into a new sheet. and increase the data column width, automatic column width. So now control T table or just click on insert tab, go for pivot table, existing sheet, choose the location, give OK. Now amount, country, product. So just click on this, insert tab, timeline. See, date. So we have only one column date which is matching to the data time. Just select. So here September month report, October month report, November month report, or else you drag like this for few months. Clear. Quarters, third quarter, fourth quarter, second quarter, first quarter. Clear. For days, December 25th report, United States, carrots, this much. Again clear, and this is for entire year. Okay, so this is nothing but called as what? Timeline. So you can choose, you can drag and length like this for how many months you want, and you can change the color also here. Is that clear? Is that clear for my everyone? Good. Okay, I think 20 people are there, but no one is responding that in the chat box. So once again, okay, let me tell me once again. So delete this. Let me delete this. Select the table. I'll delete this also. Just click on a cell. Insert pivot table. Existing sheet. Select a cell. Just give OK. Product into the columns. Amount into the values. Country into the rows. Just click. Go to Insert tab. Just click on the timeline. Select the date column. Just give OK. So now we have this particular pivot table. I want to organize this pivot table based on the date and time. So October month report, September month report, August month. Drag and drop like this. I don't know why Susmita sent yes, sir. Okay. Again, clear. Days, 22nd of September, nothing. 21st, nothing. 20th, okay. Clear. Quarters, first quarter, second quarter, third quarters, clear, and for entire year also. Is that clear? Good. So is it clear for everyone until here? Timeline. Okay. So let's take the attendance. So first let me take a photo of people who are present here. Okay, only 19 people are present. I've taken screenshot. Okay. After that, let me take that. Okay, Anjali R. So just unmute your mic and say the attendance, ma. Anjali R. Ankit,
Present, sir.
one side say.
Present, sir.
Why your mic is not coming here at all?
Hello. Hello, sir.
Ah, yeah, now it is
Ankit,
coming.
present, sir.
Ah. Anusha Tejas,
Present, sir.
Arun Gowda, Ashish,
Present, sir.
Chaitra BP, Chaitra T, Chandana BG, Dikshita
Present, sir.
R, Dikshita R, Deepti S,
Present, sir.
Dik, Dikshit D, Dikshit D, Dinesh B, Geeta Sri M, Harshita U, Kalavati M,
Present, sir.
Karthik N, Kavita G,
Present, sir.
Kishore B,
Present, sir.
Kushal B, Kushuma G Aradhya, G Aradhya, Madan, Manashis, Manu NM, Meghana, Mithun Gowda, Muhammad Shabir,
Present, sir.
present sir.
ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಗರಿ ಗರಿ ಅನ್ನಂಗ ಹಂಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir, Manu and I'm present.
Nandini VN, so Nandini V, Priyanka G,
Present, sir.
Sai Vaishnav, why today is absent, Sharwani, Shreyas S, Shreyas V, Sweta P, Saundarya M, Suprita S, Surabhi K, Suresh Kumar P, Sushmita V,
Present, sir.
Tanushree N, Tejas, Tejas S, Tejas Narayanan,
Present, sir.
Varshabhai, Vedant, Vedant, Vidyashree, Vilas K, Yashaswini BG, Sandeep N,
Yashaswini BG present, sir.
Sandeep N, Purva, Harish KS,
Present, sir. Purva is present, sir.
Harish KS, Revati N, Varshini GR, Sushmita M, Suprit BS. Okay, so everyone understood today's topic? Okay, so I want everyone to go with the practical of so the timeline, slicer, and line chart, spark lines. Okay, so another two classes will be, so another one class will be entered into the formulas. So can anyone tell me why today there are more absentees? So today we have done like illustrations, add-ins, chart, 3D maps, spark lines, slicer, and timeline. So we have done from here to here. So next class will be continuing with link. No, I was asking, I don't know why today very, very less strength. Some are busy in admission approval, university registrations. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. But however, they would have attended, they should attend. Okay, let tell them. Okay, because of less strength, I'm mandating little 5 minutes earlier because I don't want like less people to attend. I want more people to attend. I want more chat box messages. Okay, everyone to concentrate. Okay, there are less students today they have attended. So please tell them to everyone to attend next class without fail, and everyone has to attend the next class because we are going to start with formulas. Okay, okay, bye everyone. Take care.